You are listening to Reading for You. The book we are reading today is Maddi's Fridge. It is written by Lois Brandt. I am Teacher Joseph.
And I'm Raymond.
We will be guiding you through the reading today.
Hello， 欢迎收听外师带你读绘本。今天要介绍的书是《马蒂的冰箱》，对应的永续发展目标是第2个 Zero Hunger， 消除饥饿。So, Teacher Joseph, I just read this book last night, and I think this is a book of love and kindness. So, can you tell everyone why you choose Maddi's Fridge as a choice?
Sure, Teacher Raymond. I chose this book because it's very much relevant because of one of the SDGs goals is to fight against hunger. And this book is a perfect example of how Sophia decides to help her friend who doesn't have food through stealing. But we all know that stealing is not okay. So here's a question for thought. Would you do what Sophia did, stealing to help a friend?
Okay, students, don't be shy to share your thoughts and ideas with us on our Facebook page.
I'm going to read the last few pages of the book Maddi's Fridge. I'm glad you told me, Mom said. Let's see what we can do together. They loaded grocery bags with milk, flour, chicken, carrots, sugar, oil, and even frozen meat and vegetables. Lois pulled his package of cheesy pizza bombs out of the freezer. He thought, and thought, and thought some more. Then he put his cheesy pizza bombs in Maddi and Ryan's bag for a treat, he said. Here it goes. At Maddi's apartment, the moms talked. Lois and Ryan played. Sophia and Maddi ran to the park. You broke your promise, Maddi said. I'm sorry, Sophia said. Are you mad? A promise is important, Maddi said. You are more important, Sophia said. I wanted you to have milk too. Maddi smiled. Are we still friends? Sophia asked. Always, Maddi said. Double always, Sophia said. Cheesy pizza bombs, Lois yelled. Our moms made cheesy pizza bombs for a treat. Sophia and Maddi raced up the stairs. Sophia slowed down so they could run together. That's what friends are for. Teacher Raymond, what do you think about this book?
Loving it. Sophia being aware of having plenty of food in the fridge, while Maddi's fridge is empty, is everything. It teaches us to be truly grateful for the things that we have. What about you, Teacher Joseph? What do you think?
I agree with you, Teacher Raymond. I think this is an amazing book because we get to see how sweet and kind Sophia is. Getting to learn that sharing is caring. You don't need to have a lot. If each one of us can share, then the world can easily be a better place. It's our activity time.
In the worksheet, you write down one of the words Teacher Joseph is about to introduce and to answer to the question we ask today. So Teacher Joseph, what are your 3 favorite words?
My favorite words are fridge, F-R-I-D-G-E, Fridge.
冰箱
Promise. Promise. Promise.
保证
Hungry. Hungry. Hungry.
肚子饿 Okay, awesome. Can you make a sentence with one of the words?
Sure. I am hungry. What's for dinner, Mom?
Okay, great. And here is my question of the day. If you were Sophia, what would you do?
I would have done the same thing, definitely. Helping a friend in need is something that we shouldn't even think about. We can't wait to see your worksheet. Write down your answers and send your worksheet to the Google form. You may win a big prize later. For more information, please visit Taoyuan ETRC Facebook or website.
同学们每周听完单集后呢，非常欢迎投稿你们的学习单。Google 表单连结请见英语教学资源中心、脸书或者是官方网站。只要投稿一次，就可以有一次的抽奖机会。那我们每次段考都会抽好礼，那期末呢就加码再抽一个特别大奖。
Thank you so much for reading with us today. We love sharing the magic of the world of books with you. The book we share in this episode is Maddi's Fridge by Lois Brandt. Now it's your turn to read and discover the fun of reading. We'll be back next week with a new story connected to our SDGs goals. Happy reading. See you next week. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
This program is sponsored and brought to you by Taoyuan ETRC Department of Education. Taoyuan.